What's good, YouTube? Welcome back to the channel. Milady, Memecoin fam. I am back with another video for you guys. I see you guys commenting, letting me get your thoughts, and I love to see it. So if you're watching the video, keep the comments, keep sharing with your friends and family, keep spreading awareness, guys. I think I'm one of the only few channels that is covering this project still, right? Again, a meme coin has a lot of volatility and meme coins come and go very fast, but one thing I'm taking notice of for Milady is the community is still there, right? You guys are supporting the video still, and I'm seeing more and more people tuning in, especially like my thesis stated before is, women as well. I'm seeing a lot more women comment or, show support under the Milady meme coin videos. So, again, this could be the meme coin representation for the women of Web3. Again, that's another one of my the things that I've been speaking about as a thesis to why this could be bullish going into the bull cycle. So, Milady meme coin fam, can't speak. If you're tuning in, please be sure to like, comment, subscribe, hit that notification bell. Everything about the project and myself will be in the description. We're gonna dive into it. Got some updates for you guys, got some relevant information. If you're interested in any of that, please be sure to watch until the end. And again, share the videos with your friends and family, get them out there, subscribe to the channel, hit that notification bell. Let's go viral, right? You see people talk about, for example, Shiba Inu, and make content creation on Shiba Inu, and you can see the viewership is like unlike any other. If you are supporting your project, right, the viewership for Shiba Inu is like crazy, right? Content creation, constant people tuning in to the Shiba Inu, content creators on social media as well, on Twitter, making so much noise, on X and other social media platforms. That's how you gotta be for your project as well. If you're holding Miladies, I'm telling you, you gotta show that type of support, so it could, like, when people open YouTube, the first thing they see recommended to them, instead of those top projects, they see more under the radar type projects like Milady, and then boom, you got more people joining the community, more people talking about the project. The more awareness spreads for it, the more the project grows, right? A lot of projects become huge successes because of the community, right? Not the utility, not what they not what they're aiming to accomplish with development, but because of their community, right? So if you guys could come together as a community and keep pushing Miladies, I'm telling you that we could see that huge parabola in the future. So right now we're sitting just under $20 million market cap for ladies, 19 million, $7.3 million in volume, which is pretty nice. We're up 81% in volume for ladies. Okay, where's that volume coming from? 500k on Uniswap still. So the ethers, the people that just trade on chain on ETH, right? They just swap on ETH. They're still trading ladies a lot, man. 500k in volume, 336k on KuCoin, 2.7 on Gate.io, 300k on Huobi, 300k on Bybit, 120k on Crypto.com, 1 million on BitGet. Nice stuff, man. Very nice stuff. From R3, I'm bullish on ladies. GG8 hold for raise up in price of supply is near finish, 730 trillion out of 88 trillion. Yeah, tokenomics for ladies, again, as a meme coin, pretty nice, 82% circulated. 7xv, we're still in a bear market, and ladies is performing absolutely well. I can't imagine how it will grow in a bull market. Keep accumulating every dip. And I'm saying, man, the people that are supporting ladies are very active. They're out there. Look at this, somebody from the Floki fam, Floki for life. We already know what time it is. Keep accumulating on the dips, trust the process. Look at when I told you to buy the last dip and see what happened after. Let's go, do your own research. DCA, this is someone from Floki, man. Floki for life, right? So they're a Floki holder, right? And again, the edge to me that ladies has, Milady meme coin has, is that it's never seen a bull run, right? A lot of projects that have never seen a bull run typically outperform projects that have already seen a bull run, because they have they'll have issues with price discovery to get back to their all-time high. Remember, there's people that are holding the bags from the last cycle. There's still people holding the bags and that are underwater, right? So that sell pressure is gonna be there to keep the price down when we see the bull cycles goes into full effect. Not with ladies though. Not much people are underwater in comparison to these other projects. So moves to the upside could happen very fast before we see sell-offs, right? Because, you know, it recently came out, you know. From Levanis, ladies, the right time to buy. One day I hope it reaches a 10 cents from GG8. You never know what could happen. Ladies, in this pump, maybe Binance thinking about listing. You never know, man. You just never know. Bull run 23. Let's go. Holding since May, patiently waiting for that life-changing spike, man. Now this is the thing, right? How many zeros we got? Okay, so we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 zeros. Okay, remember, every zero just go like 1 0, that's a 10x, another 0, that's a 100x, another 0, that's a 1000x, right? Again, I just got to be realistic with y'all, okay? The possibility of a 100x for ladies, I wouldn't rule it out. Meme coins in the last cycle like Baby Doge, Saitama, Sheeb Nobi, a bunch of others, Kishu, a lot of them went to $1 billion, $2 billion in market cap, right? So the potential of 2 zeros being eaten for ladies, I wouldn't rule it out, man. You know, two zeros and maybe a half, 2 zeros and a half, right? 2 zeros and a half, or 2 zeros, so it eats 2 zeros and it goes to 1 or 3 right here, right? I wouldn't rule out that possibility for ladies at all, right? But I just got to be realistic. You got to think about how many X's a project could do, man. 1,000x is a lot. 1,000x is a whole lot, okay? But 100x, that's possible. 100x from here, you got $19 million in market cap. 100x from here is very possible, in my opinion, right? That's $1.9 billion in market cap. We saw Pepe just do that. Pepe just did it, right? And we got another meme coin that's looks like it's on the way to do that as well. So $1 billion to $2 billion, I don't think that's, you know, too far-fetched. You know what I mean? So just go by the amount you have invested, right? If you have $100, times that by 100x. You got $100 times 100 invested, that's $10,000, right? $300 times 100 times 100x, $30,000. $1,000 times 100x, that's $100,000, right? So just keep that in mind. But that's what I would think ladies could accomplish, from anywhere from a 50x to 100x, if, you know, things pick up for it with, like, again, women in Web3, the Milady NFTs, crypto.com investors not having access to many meme coins when there's going to be another big meme coin wave going into the bull cycle. All the things I've spoke about in my previous videos, right? Right here, ladies, official Twitter, 64.5k followers on Twitter. Ladies fearlessly embraces every challenge, leading with unwavering bravery and determination. So the memes just keep coming, man. That's what you like to see. Again, another thing I'm super bullish on, when I go through like my comment section for the videos, I see people are tuning in, man. Tony Beltran, Bound Hack, Timmer, Tales from the Street saying he's gonna toss $1,000 at it. He don't care if he loses it. Hey, I always say never invest more than you're willing to lose, man. Jason, right? Ben Shiba, they got people in the Sheep community. Deus, AI Daily, like, people are tuning in, man. Like, there's a community here that is building. So if you guys keep that up, you just never know what could happen in the future, right? From Mr. DGen Volume, altcoins rising in volume in the past 30 minutes, and we see ladies up 28%. That's why I said Where's this volume coming from? Volume typically is bullish for overall price action. Volume up 80% on the 24-hour, right? Because typically it's around $2-3 million in volume. We're up 7.3 million, so something's happening here, right? And again, in the bull cycle, you just never know if you just see some huge god candles just happen. Mosey, most traded spotlight meme projects in the last 7 days, and we got Ladies as one of them, amongst others like Floki and Baby Doge, Wojak. Most traded spotlight meme projects for the last 7 days. We got an image as well. This is from BSC Daily. 657k followers. Ladies with $23 million in volume, and Floki at 104 million. This Floki's listed on Binance, right? Floki's listed on Binance. Ladies is not listed on Binance, and it's matching the volume, right? I know a lot of people like AI Doge as well. AI Doge coming in at number 2 spot, right? But again, you know, my thesis still stands. The NFTs for the NFT prices for Milady on OpenSea keeps getting higher and higher. Right now, the Milady NFT is like the third highest priced NFT out of a 10,000 NFT collection. And who knows, man? Like I said, with the Milady NFT getting more and more attention, people can't afford a Milady NFT. You know, people see the the amount of culture or the amount of impact the Milady NFT community is creating, while they're scrolling through social media, X, Twitter. You know, they see people from the Milady community making posts, and it shows up on their timeline. They can't afford the NFT. They're on crypto.com or other exchanges. They see the Ladies Memecoin project. They're like, huh, well, you know, maybe this could be a good play because I can't get the NFTs. This is on some tier 1s that it's easy for me to buy. Maybe I just toss something at it. And, you know, that's what I'm saying. Like, that could be the thought process for a lot of people going into the next bull cycle. So we'll see what happens, man. Again, never invest more than you're willing to lose in crypto, because it's very risky and very volatile. And, you know, stick to your plans, right? Again, stick to your plan. Make sure you got some legitimate altcoins in your portfolio. If you got Milady meme coin, you know, I would say don't go breaking the bank on it, like I said in previous videos. Maybe just get like how much, like a billion, 10 billion of them, right? I would say, yeah, 10 billion is like, again, around $300. You never know what could happen, man, with that 300. So guys, thank y'all so much for tuning in. Please be sure to like, comment, subscribe, hit that notification bell. I'm gonna keep an eye on it, man. I'm gonna keep an eye on it for you guys. If you guys keep supporting, we'll see if it, you know, we'll see what happens as time progresses. The Bitcoin halving, it's not that far away. It's very close to the Bitcoin halving. So we'll see what happens, man. Right? Thank y'all so much for tuning in. Like, comment, subscribe, share with your friends and family. Blow this video up. I'll catch you in the next one.